Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Now this is the first video that I'm shooting using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I picked it up a couple of weeks ago for one of my trips that were upcoming. That's a long story because the visa didn't come through, so hey, this camera is going to be used to shoot some unboxing videos instead. And like you could see from my iPhone clips, I got myself a pair of the Air Max 90s by Patta. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because I have content coming out every now and then. Starting off with the box, you'll see how it's very similar to how the Air Max 1 with the Waves came, like the Monarch pair that I had, except that that pair was black with text and this one's gray. And gray is obviously the most commonly found, not most commonly, but you have gray overlays in these pairs. And like you can tell, it came out in two colorways initially, which was this blue, or is that purple, and bolt. And I picked up the blue or the purple pair. So blue, I guess. Let's see what the color code says. Particle gray and neutral gray. Man, I'm pretty sure there's more colors to it than that. But I went with my true size, which is a US 9, a UK 8. Now, I'm so used to shooting with my iPhone that my eyes keep going back to the screen because that's where the camera was. But right now, the camera is right here. I'll do my best. As we lift the lid open, you see this nice butter paper. You have that Air Max 90 panel right here and the text Patta. I'm gonna get the sneaker out of the box. Bam! There you have it, the Air Max 90 by Patta. Now I know this pair wasn't all that hyped. Like essentially what they've done is taken some pairs that are pre-existing. Like you can get an identical looking pair without the Waves or the Patta collab in the regular inline Nike Air Max 90s, and it was quite I don't know if it slept on because I think they all sold out. I don't know how the resale is doing on them, but I really wanted to get a pair and this is the color I went with, although I wanted the Volt initially because it's very close to the OG colorways, right? But then just something about this pair, the way the midsole, you've got the nice sail midsole done right here. You can see all through with these blue hits right here. And the sail continues onto the air unit, your regular Air Max 90 outsole. The sock liner as well is done in sail, and so are the laces. And the laces, they do come with an extra set of gray laces like you can see right here. But I'm going to keep the sail laces on much like I did with my Air Max 1 Monarch. I have the sail laces on them, and those two came with a spare set of gray laces. Now on the tongue right here, you have your Patta branding done, as is reminiscent with all other Air Max collabs they've done. And the standout feature, of course, these waves. Now I don't know if the camera can catch it, but the waves are like this satin fabric. It's not leather, it's not nubuck, it's like a satin smooth fabric. Your gray mesh panels that carry on the sides as well. You obviously have this nubuck gray right here. Now what I found interesting is that the waves go here on the toe, but then here it's all flat. But on the medial side, the waves carry over all the way through. I would have preferred if they kept the waves this way on the lateral side as well. But another interesting bit, you see the swoosh sticking out right here, which I don't think is very common on an Air Max 90, but that was an interesting feature according to me. Obviously you got your black overlays like right here and on the tongue to match your mudguard. This one's nubuck as well, this gray area. Am I rushing through this video? I feel like I'm rushing through this video, but you know, it's an Air Max 90. What are you gonna say about it that hasn't already been said? I'm gonna pull the insole out so that you can get a better look at it. And there you have it. You have the Patta branding on the insole as well. And yeah, that's about it. In terms of sizing, I went true to size. I love the sock liner, the sail sock liner that matches with the rest of the shoe. Absolutely love it. So maybe I should show you the Air Max 1 side by side for those of you that don't know. Give me a sec. I'll just pull it out of the box. So this is the Air Max 1, the Monarch, right? So you see the waves pattern, which is what this has been inspired by. Now, the Monarch does have a mini swoosh on it. I don't know if they should have done that on the Air Max 90s as well, but you see the similarities. This is sail as well. Same sail and gray themes. Like you see the Patta branding on the insole of this pair as well, and the tongue as well has the Patta label done right there. This one's been worn a fair bit. I love Air Max ones personally, my all-time favorite. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Or on this, oh, I forgot the most important or interesting detail. Like right here, you'll see this lenticular detail, which reads Air Max, but if I tilt it, it says Patta. I'm not sure if the camera will be able to catch it, but yeah, it's there, just so you know. All right, I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. All right, so here's the pair on feet. As you can tell, all laced up, all ready to go. I personally love this pair. I'm actually stepping back out of the house, going to Dubai Mall to try and get my hands on the Lil Yachty Air Force One. So yeah, top down look, side view, absolutely beautiful. And shlabam, that's it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I appreciate you. I absolutely love this pair. And also it's summer right now in Dubai. It's really hot and humid. This one's gonna get a fair bit of use. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. And let me know what you think of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 quality in an unboxing video. All right, take it easy, stay safe, peace.